our channel and Sandcastle tip of the day. Today we're going to go through the technique in blocking out a tower. Cher's here helping us, and this is the generic pound up of the tower. We showed you we did that with our casting tubes, and we're going to carve that into the tower based upon von Schweinstein's tower, King Ludwig's, the castle there in southern Germany. It's the castle that's been modeled many times, like Disneyland and other, I should say, applications of it. So stay tuned. Check out how we block out this tower.
Well, I got this tower pretty high using those casting tubes. Looking good. I think I'm probably 9 feet above the driveway, which is very cool. So let's see how this carves. Based upon our reference artwork, if you remember yesterday's tip of the day. I'm gonna base the top tower on von Schweinstein's castle in Germany, or King Ludwig, I think is what they have called it. And a lot of other, I think Disneyland uses a lot of elements from this castle. And what it has is a side tower that comes up this side. So let's see how this turns out.
Blocking out the tower is an architectural element that needs to be level. And I really am an advocate of that small torpedo level to help find level both vertically and horizontally. And if you can find good vertical and horizontal lines in your tower, you're going to have a lot more success in blocking out your tower. I start from the very top, make sure I get the roof element right, I get the roof overhangs right, I get the planes right for the balcony and the crenellations that hold up the balcony. It all has to kind of come together and to essentially assure that you're going to get a good block out of your tower.
As I start to make my way around the entire piece in blockout mode, I want to make sure that I am patient and don't put in details too soon that I have to eventually might have to tear apart because the proportions are wrong or the details wrong or the massing's wrong. So this is a time to be very patient and thorough in your blockout.
Thanks for joining us in this Sandcastle tip of the day for how we block out a tower. I'd say this tower is coming along pretty nice. If you like this video, smash the like button. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next tip of the day. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.